Hey guys, check this out. There are four of them spinning on my monitor. Four of them. Today, March 13th, I did a Windows update on my computer, and it failed to restart. I could not get into the operating system, so I proceeded to try to repair my computer. And when I tried to do a system restore, when I had to type in my password, which is rather odd for a system restore. Typed in my password to do a system restore, and it said it was the wrong password, which is pretty hard to believe. So I went on another computer and I typed in my password on another computer. No problem. Got into my email. No problems at all. Okay. So I tried again to type in my password, which I knew what it was, on, trying to do a system restore on my computer, and it said wrong password. So then I proceeded to do a whole bunch of other things trying to repair my computer, right, using a system repair disk that I had made when I made my installation. The system repair disk didn't really seem to be taking too well. Now I'm getting this. Four of them. Can you believe it? Four of them. I mean, what is going on here? This is all the result of doing a Windows update. This is what Windows Update brings me on my computer. This is ridiculous. This is insane. I have never seen the likes of this before. Any ideas? Boy, that's something else, huh? All right, that's on our Hero X570. In case anybody's interested in the platform, but that's really something else. I've never seen anything like that before. That is really something else. Okay, well, there you go. I don't know what else to say. I had to film this because I have never seen anything like this before. All right, bye-bye.